Hello, good morning. Welcome back again sa GBT, Safety. Focus hanggang sa safety at kalusugan. So, we talk about safety. So, punta tayo ngayon sa classes of fire. No? May mga classes of fire. Fire extinguishers, symbols, classifications, and agents. Class A fire removes or involves common combustibles such as wood, paper, cloth, rubber, at saka trash and plastics. So, ang agent na pamatay dyan, fire extinguishers, yung ABC, dry chemical, or multipurpose po yan. Halotron, water, and foam. Class B, fire involves flammable liquids, no? Kagaya ng solvent, oil, gasoline, paints, lacquer, and other oil-based products. So, ang gamit natin dyan para ma-extinguish siya, mapatay, ABC dry chemical, no? Multipurpose pa rin. BC dry chemicals, pwede rin regular. Kaya yung purple K, carbon dioxide, halotron, at saka foam, pwede pang extinguish yan doon sa class A na fire. Class C na fire, it involves energy electrical equipment such as wiring, control motors, machinery, or appliances. Yung mga nasusunog na mga wires, kuryente. Class C ang tawag doon. So, ang pamatay dyan, siyempre yung ABC dry chemical, multipurpose. Pwede rin naman yung BC lang, dry chemical regular. Pwede rin naman yung purple K. Pwede rin yung carbon dioxide, halotron, no? Class D na fire involves combustible metals such as manganese, no? Nasusunog din yung metals. Lithium, yung lithium battery, at saka yung titanium, nasusunog din yan. So, ang gamit natin dyan, pamatay, yung dry powder. Class K fires involves combustible cooling media such as oils, yung mga grasa, yung grease, mga mechanical engineers, commonly found in commercial kitchens, no? Yung mga apoy na nasa kitchens. Pamatay natin dyan yung wet chemicals sa kitchen. So, ang medyo take note lang dito sa carbon dioxide at saka yung carbon dioxide nga, ban na ito sa ibang bansa such as Qatar. Hindi na po ginagamit to, no, yung Middle East, lalo na sa Qatar ay ban na po itong carbon dioxide na pamatay sunog. Sa Pilipinas, of course, ginagamit po ito. So, yun na po. Thank you. Bye.